X100V versus X-PRO3. What to choose if you are thinking about these two cameras? Let me tell you from my 1 year plus long experience. Hello there, my name is Tudor Matescu and on my channel I talk about photography related gear tips and tricks. So please subscribe to my channel if you are in this kind of content. I've made lots of reviews about X100V, X-PRO3 and detailed comparison regarding X100V versus X-PRO3 versus X-C4. Check the links from the cards. But in this video I want to make a comparison regarding user experience and regarding these two cameras, because there are some obvious differences between the two of them, but there are some other differences that we really must address it. So now I want to talk about the first very important difference regarding these two cameras, and it's not about the lenses, it's about the build quality. So I want to talk about the build quality of these two cameras, and I must tell you that X100V, it is way above X-PRO3 regarding build quality. At least when I'm thinking about my two copies. I don't have the titanium and the Dura Black, that it is a magnet for fingerprints. I have this standard edition of X-PRO3. And what I must tell you is that the build quality, when I'm using the dials, the wheels and all these kinds of buttons, I must tell you that it's not feeling as premium as X100V. So the wheels and the dials of X100V, they are feeling very premium. The quality, the details, the texture, the feedback that you get from the X100V, it is way more stronger than X-PRO3. I don't say X-PRO3 it is bad at this chapter, it is good, it is okay. Regarding X-PRO3 dials, buttons, wheels and so on, the feedback and the feeling in your hand is not so premium as on X100V. And this is very important if you want a camera that will motivate you. So regarding build quality, I would say that X100V, it is 20% more better in the premium feeling compared to X-PRO3. So have that in mind when you are thinking about these two cameras. Another important point to consider, it is the AF. The AF on X-PRO3, it is very good with good lenses. And also with all the lenses of Fujifilm, you will obtain very good results. The AF on X100V, it is a little slower. It is like on X100F. In a real world, it's feeling like that, even if I feel it's delivering a little more than X100F. But yes, the AF on X-PRO3, it is better, and if you want the best AF, you can sure go for X-PRO3. Now another chapter that I think it is important when you are thinking about these two cameras, it's regarding portability. X-PRO3, it is portable, but X100V, it is more portable. But what does it mean in real life? Well, from my point of view, if you are using a pancake lens, a 27mm Mark II f2.8 lens or the 80mm f2 lens, you'll have a very portable system with good AF. So in real life, I can call them equally portable. I can't say, well, I will not take X-PRO3 with this pancake lens because I will take X100V. No, the reasons for why I will take X100V, it is the fact that X100V has a function that it's giving me the 40mm field of view with this pancake lens and f2 lens that has a better minimum focus distance with very good AF. Check link from the card regarding that video. So it is difficult for me, if I'm thinking just about these two packages, to decide what camera would I take. If it is raining outside and let's say I want to use the 40mm field of view, then I will take this camera, because I don't have the ring that it's making X100V full weather resistant. But if I want to use the 40mm lens or the 35mm lens, I would go for X100V, because it is smaller and the quality of this lens, it is so good that I can change from the 35mm field of view to the 40mm field of view and not feeling that I'm losing quality. I still have good bokeh. I think the bokeh is better from this lens compared to the 27mm f2.8 lens in the 40mm field of view terms. So, regarding these two packages, X100V, it is winning. But if I want to use other lenses, of course, I don't have the options on X100V. So now I'm getting to the lenses part. If you are sure you need other lenses, the 28mm field of view, the 50mm field of view, and other lenses, zooms, primes, and so on, of course, X-PRO3, it's for you. But if you have X-T3, X-T4, and you are getting well with that camera, and you don't want a second body with interchangeable lenses, I feel that X100V, it will be more suited for you, because being very portable, it will help you get more pictures, because it will be always with you. And when you have X-PRO3, you'll acquire more lenses, and it is possible to leave the camera at home and think about a smaller camera like XF10. Check my review regarding XF10 that now I regret, link in the card. So, you must really decide what lenses you are using. If you are a 35mm, 40mm, 50mm with no intention for bokeh in the 50mm field of view, then you can go with this camera. I don't recommend the WCL or the TCL adapter. The TCL adapter, it is huge. The WCL is not so huge. It could be an option for somebody, but for me it's not. I really do prefer the 80mm f2 on Fujifilm X-PRO3. But if I would want to go minimalist, then yes, maybe the WCL could be a solution. I didn't test the WCL, I used the TCL, and I really didn't get well at all with the TCL. The camera, it was cumbersome to use. And now the last key point, that it's very, very important, it's regarding the rangefinder experience. I've talked in a previous video what it's a rangefinder experience from my personal point of view. Check the link from the card. So regarding the rangefinder experience, X-PRO3, it is really winning the game. When I'm using this camera, I really feel that I'm using a film camera. This screen, it is amazing. It's really doing what it should do. It really makes you feel that you are using a rangefinder film camera, or a film camera at least. So this is unbeatable if you want a digital camera that is simulating a film camera. So yes, regarding the rangefinder experience, X-PRO3, it is better, no questions here. So in conclusion, at the end, I feel it's about the lenses. You must decide what focal lenses you are shooting. If you are shooting the 35mm, the 40mm, and maybe the 28mm field of view lenses, you can go with X100V buying the WCL. But if you want more lenses, if you want a truly rangefinder experience or a film camera experience, then X-PRO3 is for you. The screen, it's helping you get that experience. That X-PRO3 really killed for me the film photography regarding the experience, not the results from the film, regarding the experience of a camera. This screen and this optical viewfinder are really doing their jobs very, very well. Check the links from the card or from the description regarding X-PRO3, the analog experience. Thank you for watching this video. These are my opinions regarding X100V versus X-PRO3. I truly recommend both of these cameras. And please share my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, leave me a comment and talk to you soon. Bye bye.